Students, in this video, I tell you about my geography mapping module, which I'm starting on 16th October. I tell you what I'm going to cover in this. And here, every year, I just conduct one batch of mapping module. Now here, like what we are going to cover in this program, we will cover world physical mapping, world political mapping, Indian physical mapping, Indian political mapping entry, ecology and environment related mapping. Now here, next is places in news for world as well as India. Now, are you mugging up each and every location? And might be are facing problem to recall, to remember, to retain. So I tell you the wonderful approach how we can visualize the map, how we can relate this map with our surrounding, how we can make script, how we can make mnemonic. So here, wonderful idea is to remember this map with wonderful mnemonic so that we can retain for 2-3 years. But our job is to retain for 1 year, prelims clear, mains clear, interview clear, and we get selected. You will get class handout. Every class you will get handout, and every class you will get 10 MCQs from our side. Once I will complete this mapping module, I will provide you 100 MCQ test. And on the latest pattern, 1 pair correct, 2 pair correct, okay, 1 statement correct, statement based question. Now next is PYQ with detailed explanation you will get, and the validity of this course is till prelims 2024. Now important message for you student. For first 100 student we kept fees 1000 rupees. So here don't wait, try to enroll as soon as possible because this is for only first 100 student. After that fees will be 2500 rupees. There is a gap, yes. First 100 student fees 1000, after that fees will be 2500 rupees. Now I discuss in detail what are the 4 key components which is important maps. We will have conceptual clarity, we will remember the facts, and mnemonic. So we will work on 4 key component here. We will work on maps, conceptual clarity related to mapping, facts we will able to remember in the class itself, and mnemonic. We will see, like here I will share wonderful mnemonics with you. Now next is physiography of India. Not only Himalayas, we will cover Great Plains of India, and in plains of India not only Ganga plain, we cover Indus plain, Brahmaputra plain, coastal plain. So we cover in detail Peninsula Plateau region, coastal plain, island. After that drainage may we cover Indus river system, Ganga, Brahmaputra, South Indian river, coastal river, and we will see the scheme related to this drainage, difference between Himalayan river and the Peninsular river. Next we will cover waterways, lake, wetland. Agriculture is very important topic which I take in detail. I take nearly 2 lectures on agriculture, historical background, agriculture since independence, seeds, fertilizer, pesticide, irrigation, machinery. This is very important. Prelims के लिए भी, mains के लिए भी, interview के लिए भी. Agriculture is the most important topic. Type of agriculture practice, revolution, law, policy, scheme, and current development. Like here I refer the source like agriculture geography by Majid Hussain साहब जी, and एक GS बल्ला जी की एक book है India Agriculture since Independence, but you cannot read this entire book. Like State of Forest report, you cannot read entire report, but I will help you out with the important information of State of Forest report in this module. Next is Niti Aayog strategy for New India at 75. We get important information related to agriculture from this document. Next is India book, Ministry of Agriculture. I tell you the sources which I refer actually. Ministry of Food Processing Industry, Ministry of Consumer Affairs. Now here Ministry of Animal Husbandry, Ministry of Jal Shakti, which is very important. Next is vegetation. We cover in detail moist tropical vegetation, dry, mountain, subtropical, mountain temperate, with wonderful idea, so that if there is a question in prelims, even in mains also you can target with the help of the concept. National Park, Biosphere Reserve, Wildlife Sanctuary, Ramsar Wetland, Tiger Reserve, and other ecology and environment mapping related topic will be covered in this course. Sources I refer, Dr. Kuller book, NCERT, State of Forest report, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Ministry for Development of Northeastern Region, UNESCO website. You will get direct question from UNESCO website. If you see, they ask a question on biosphere reserve and vegetation and you get confused, but you will find there are direct statement they are asking from NCERT, UNESCO. Now next is other topic, soils of India, mineral industry, transport infrastructure, pipeline, refinery, port, mountain peak, passes, glacier, tribes, railway zone, UNESCO heritage site, places in use. I think it is a complete program. We will have nearly 16 to 18 classes. After that, no need to refer any source. And even we try to memorize in the class itself. Okay, many of you already done my course earlier, last year, last year. So you have idea, you can ask your friend, those who have already done this. Now world mapping में we cover this continent, Africa, Asia, North America, South America, Oceania, Europe and places in use, which is very important. Every year from world mapping we have 2 to 4 questions. See here, within 4 or 5 class we will cover entire world mapping and you will get question from this coverage. So student, if you are interested, only the message to you that for first 100 student we kept fees 1000 rupees. You can enroll online as well as offline. Okay. After that fees will be 2500. For online, you can visit our website www.isetu.com. And for offline, you have to visit our office in Old Rajendra Nagar. Thank you, students.